Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and throw up those notifications.
You got your keys?
Oh yeah.
You got like the car.
Why are we just drinking in the car?
Because we got a hotel room.
Did you lock it?
Costs a lot of money.
I know, but we can.
Did you lock it? I guess not.
Do you hear the thunder? It's so nice.
Here's the thunder and the lightning. Lightning and the thunder.
Going into my turtle boat.
You're not turtle enough to the turtle club.
Are you shitting me? What do I have to do?
Put a shell on.
I don't have.
What the fuck was that? Do it again?
Now you've been banned from the turtle club.
I don't own one of
No,
those.
you've been banned from the turtle club.
You can
now.
buy a backpack that looks like a turtle shell.
No, but it doesn't matter. You've already been banned.
You've been banned.
I never tried to put on a fake shell. Don't put me in this video.
I have my shell. It's green. It's green.
That might be the best.
You just
flip.
can't see it. It's camouflage,
You gotta be
bitch.
shitting me. Okay, wait. Who's
Wait,
that?
that's what I wanted. The umbrellas in the car.
It's too late now. We've gone too far.
Oh,
This isn't fucking.
oh my
Hold on,
god.
where's the door? What door are we going to? What's our
Right
desk?
there.
Don't walk out any further. You're gonna be out in there. You're gonna be in there. That's the one we're going to right there.
No, I'm gonna be close.
Ian, you can't run.
No?
Oh my god.
Not with this.
Why this going sewage?
Well, let's go. What are we waiting for?
I'm running.
Then run.
Or not?
We'll catch up.
You're not about to film me running across.
Yes,
the
I
goddamn
will.
street. Let's walk.
All right then. Nicole, don't run into
You
traffic.
get fucking hit. Oh,
Nicole! Nicole!
that's why turtles get run over.
Jesus Christ. She's miles ahead of us.
She's gonna be hurt for the fucking next 48. She'll regret that.
Where the hell is she?
I'm fucking dry even.
She's over there with us. She didn't.
You just let red.
She.
Oh my god. You just said, oh no, coming in. You are in. She got it in 5. Oh yeah, she done. She done. She done.
Turtle out.
No, that's not. You're not in the time stories, Mrs. Unlike Marathon.
I know. I peed.
It wasn't a race for that.
I went to the door. And the girl was like, you know, she looked right, saw me, and she was like, who the hell are you?
That's what I said. They didn't let strangers in.
Some frantic woman running to the door.
I would have fucking closed it on them.
Hello. Oh,
Oh yeah, here we go.
it's happening.
Didn't even take 5 minutes.
It's happening. We're on 3.
Yeah,
You're kidding.
come on.
I can't breathe.
We're doing it.
Come on.
I don't feel ready.
Yeah, you make it.
Oh my god.
Come on. You're a quarter of the way there.
I can't see. Kim, where's my Sherpa?
I'm taking Sherpa duties off. Ian's the Sherpa.
No.
Ian's Sherpa. Tattoo. Ian's the Sherpa. Ian, please.
In front.
All right, one more, Nicole. Just one more.
Up and back. Let's go.
Oh no. We're on 5. This is Cinco.
I think you just pull.